This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to restore the old YouTube layout. Go back to the old YouTube from the new YouTube. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is actually go to Safari and YouTube itself. We can either go to the home page or we could go to your channel, but we will stay on the homepage itself. So if I just click on the logo or my logo or this button in the right top corner, and now it says restore old YouTube. So if you click on this and then it says, we're sorry to see you go. Your feedback helps us to improve YouTube. Remember, you can always return to the new YouTube design by going to youtube.com/new, but at the moment I just prefer not to answer. So click on submit, and there we go. We are back to the old YouTube layout, and I really prefer this layout. I do not understand why they just keep on changing the layout. When you get used to it, they change it again. Then you have to adjust, adapt. Oh my goodness. Okay, so minimize this. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.